Good morning and hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and in today's video, really quickly, I wanted to show you guys a quick video of my salon suite decor. You guys have been asking me on all of my socials where I got everything from, so be sure to check the link in the bio. I literally got 99.9% of all this stuff off of Amazon. Here I'm just showing my thing that's on the door for my privacy. Taylor, my co-worker slash sis, is right next to me, so that's her room. She has the same thing. But I get a lot of compliments on my decor and stuff, which I'm actually shocked because I'm very minimal. But if you guys are interested in this, I have it linked to my LTK as well as on my Amazon store. So again, be sure to check that out. Literally all the products I use and everything you guys have been asking. So here it goes, down to the steamer. This is a facial steamer that I use for a hair steamer. But again, I get in where I fit in, and I like to do things that work for me and my clients. So do what works best for you. So in today's video, I have my client. She actually came in last year for the first time, well, twice actually, for a hair color consultation. Long story short, she needed a color correction, which I'll show you guys towards the end. However, I decided to add this segment in here. I don't really do a lot of scalp scratching videos, and that's because I didn't want to gross you guys out. However, I posted one of these on Instagram and it got over 2 million views. I posted it again twice more just to make sure I wasn't tripping, and it literally got over 5 million views on a scalp scratching video. So without further ado, I might start adding these in the beginning of some of my videos for the clients that need it. Again, it wasn't something I really post because I'm one of those people that I like watching stuff like this, but I didn't want to freak y'all out. So this is just going to be like a quick little couple minutes of me scalp scratching my client prior to doing color. I'm not being rough, obviously, because we're going to be doing a scalp lightener, scalp bleach. But long story short, to give you a little bit of backstory about her, she came in last year, I want to say around September, for a consultation. She had her roots that were just touched up. She ended up having this copper color, this brownish color that you guys see now. Initially, she wanted that color all over. However, the stylist that she went to ended up over processing her hair. So what ended up ultimately happening was she had a lot of breakage. Her roots were a darker brown and her ends were a lighter brown. So it's almost like a reverse hot root. I'm not sure how the prior stylist did the color, but we're not here to judge. We're just here to fix the situation. So this is actually her coming in to get a touch up from that first color that we did back in November of 2023. So again, I just saw that she had a little bit of dandruff, so I just asked her like, hey, is it okay if I record you? And my clients are cool, so she was just like, yeah. And the crazy thing is, I did not record me doing the color correction just because it was in my the same suite, but it was before I remodeled. And you guys know how I was feeling about the room looking all like red and black. It was just giving, like, my friend said it looks like a man first apartment, and I could not get that on my head. So yeah, with that being said, I was just like, let me go ahead and just show you guys a snippet, but I'll put that in once I'm done blow drying her hair and everything. If you guys want to just skip to that, feel free. I'm not going to feel any type of way. But long story short, we did a color correction. So this is just the grow out from the color correction. I let her know what to expect during the consultation. I did let her know, hey, due to you having those over processed ends, you are going to have some breakage. You're going to experience that. However, my goal is to make sure that we get your hair all one color and to be as uniform as possible without causing any damage. So that first visit, we did do an Olaplex treatment. Today's visit, we are going to do a K18 treatment, which I didn't show on camera, my bad, because I wasn't even going to record her. But I figured this is important for you guys to learn as well. So I'm going to finish scratching this out, and then just know I did a K18. I did the chelator on her hair first, let that sit for 4 minutes. Then I also did the K18 mist. You do have to be licensed to buy these products. I have seen that they were selling these at Sam's Club. However, I actually follow K18. They follow me as well. I messaged them and they let me know that the K18 that you purchase from Sam's Club or online, that's not from their website, is not legit. So be careful, okay? So now I'm just going in with my blonde solutions, and I'm using this Lightener developer here that I just showed on the screen. And again, I'll link everything down below, and I'll also put the description so you guys know what I'm using. But I'm just going in with the really low developer because we didn't want to get her super light. We just want to bump up that base, which is that really dark level 2 color that you see. And of course, I am using Olaplex and my Framar scale, Framar everything all day. You already know I love Framar products. The gloves are cute, scale's cute. I use it literally for my cape, my foils, so on and so forth. So be sure to check that out. Now, the reason why I'm going in with this Blonde Solutions lightener is because it does not swell, meaning that I don't have to worry about it going past where I apply it. It's literally going to sit exactly where you put it. It's not going to expand on the hair, and that's going to be perfect to actually help prevent us from overlapping, because sometimes when you do use a lightener that swells, you have to move it a little bit lower than what you want it to be because you have to give it room to expand. So with this application, because she's grown out several months, I wanted to make sure that wherever I apply this lightener, it's going to stick and it's not going to move. So I always go in and outline my section first. I part the hair into 4 sections, and then I am going to go in and just start to apply this to each section. So now that I got that out the way, I missed you guys. I've hit 80,000 subscribers on Instagram. So we hit our goal. Thank you guys so much. What else has happened? I also went viral on YouTube. My website is officially done. It's going to launch on June the 1st, 2024. I'm going to be restocking my flat irons. I'm also going to be coming out with my very own online education platform. So these videos that you see here now, they're going to be super detailed. You're going to be able to see every side, every angle, pricing that I include, my consultation, my formulas, my breakdown, literally everything that you guys want to see that's not in these shorter form videos will be on that membership. And don't worry as well, my YouTube members, you guys will still get exclusive content, but just going forward, starting June 1st, all of the really in-depth hair color tutorials, I'll drop the formulas and pricing for you guys already. You already know that. But if you guys want like the full 2-hour video, 3-hour video, I might condense it down just a little bit, obviously, but the application that's important, the formulas, the pricing, the timing. If you guys really want to just step it up a notch and learn what I'm doing, that will be on my online platform, and you guys will hear more about that coming soon. So I'm really excited. I was working with an awesome designer since literally January. The website did take about 3 months. I spent a ton of bread on it for you guys to make sure that I came with the best content possible. Other things that are going to be on my online platform as well, besides just hair coloring, it's going to be hair cutting videos. There's going to be how to do natural hair videos. There's also going to be an extra element that I'm going to add on there as well, which is social media. You guys know I'm self-taught. I grew my social media myself. I'm a YouTuber. I'm an influencer, very successful hairstylist. I'm doing it all right now. I'm a military wife, a mom of 3, and this lifestyle has literally allowed me to work 8 days a month. Like when I tell you guys, I have been off for the last 11 days, and now I'm like, let me get this content out because it's crunch time. I just really, really love this lifestyle that I created, and I want you guys to be able to work smarter, not harder. No shade to anybody that does that. I used to be the type of hairstylist that would get up in the morning and work literally from 7 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock at night, take every single client, burn myself out, but I made a lot of money. And as time went on, I feel like it's something about like almost being 30. And now, of course, I am 31, going to be 32 in September. But it's something about like coming into your 30s that makes you not want to do as much as you did in your 20s. Like, I'm not about that hustle and bustle, barely being home life. I want to be home with my family. I want to be able to eat when I want to eat. I want to be able to travel when I want, pay for my kids to do stuff, pay my bills, of course, buy a new car if I want. So this lifestyle has literally allowed me to do everything I want and more. And I'm just so happy that I stuck it out and I didn't listen to the people that was saying like, you know, you're from Delaware. It's going to be hard to be a YouTuber when you're from a small not country. Oh my goodness. A small state. Excuse me. Sorry. It's 6 in the morning, but I know this is a long rant. Y'all probably like, what the hell? But I just really wanted to make sure that I came on here and just let you guys know that all things are possible, basically, and don't let anybody try to deter you from your dreams, your goals, anything. If you have something set in your mind and you want to do it, literally the only thing stopping you is your state of mind. Don't let anybody tell you what you can and cannot do. If I were to listen to every single person that told me, hey, you're not going to be a successful salon owner, I would have never opened my salon. I ended up making my first 6 figures having my salon in my 20s. I ended up buying my second house with my husband. I paid off 2 of my cars. My kids go to private school. I've traveled. I've taken my kids out the country. Like, things that I literally did not think were possible have all become possible just because I sat there. I put in the work, obviously, but I believed in myself. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of motivation here. But yeah, really quick, back to the social media platform. So what I'm going to be doing on there, which I just decided literally like a couple weeks ago, I'm going to be giving you guys breakdowns, of course, of how we do YouTube, how do we do Instagram, how do you grow your following, how do you grow your clientele, how to reach your analytics. But I'm also going to be doing something where I go to different influencers pages. So for example, we'll just use, I don't even want to use anybody right now, but because I don't want to give out too much tea, but basically what I'm going to be doing is going to different big platforms, whether it's a barber page, a makeup artist, a photographer, a videographer, whatever, and we're going to break down their profile, see what their patterns are. We're also going to see how they grow their page, and this is all going to be in the membership. Beginning of my career, I used to pay like, $100 here to learn how to grow your page, $100 here to learn how to grow your page. And I felt like it was all the same information, which it basically is. But I need somebody to show me and not teach me. You feel me? So I'm the type of person where if you tell me, all right, you need to post 3 times a day, excuse me. If you're the type of person that tells me like, yo, you need to post 3 times a day, then I'm going to post 3 times a day. But it's like, post what? Post what time? What kind of content? So again, the social media breakdown is not only going to be like how other people grow their page and literally all the steps that I followed myself. I just had 64K at the beginning of last year. I'm at 80K already. But literally since November is when I decided like, yo, I'm going to grow my page to 100K, and I've gained over 10,000 followers just from following these strategies from other people's pages, just peeping game and doing my own research. One thing about me, I'm going to figure it out, and I'm going to figure it out for free. Okay. So, found a couple new ways to make money. And again, that social media part is also going to include like how I have my 7 different streams of income, how I make money from, doing my clients, how I make money from social media, how I make money from sponsorships, how I get brand deals, how I'm on PR list, how I got, to be able to speak at events, how I got to meet celebrity hairstylists. Like, it's literally going to encompass all of that. But I just figured instead of trying to tell you guys how to do that in one quick video, I'm going to be literally breaking down a couple videos a week, and we're going to get into the different ways that social media grows, the ways that it evolves, how the algorithm's changing. So again, I just thought that was a cool element because you guys know I'm a hairstylist, but I'm also a content creator, right? So with that being said, it's about to go up. So anyway, I'm just doing the back application here. That's already done. Then finish this whole section. Now I'm just shampooing my client. This is what you guys normally don't see. I'm just going in with some Olaplex here. Number 2, like I said, I keep everything on this trolley. I will have it linked down below. It did come with wheels, but I didn't want to put the wheels on just because I do a lot of hair. However, I just went ahead, put her Olaplex treatment on, let that sit. And now I'm just going in and I'm toning her hair. And I'm also adding her color as well. So I'm doing the color first just to make sure everything is nice and uniform. Same color I did before. And then all I'm going to do now, once I'm done applying this color, is just go in and overall tone everything, just because remember, we have those really light ends that were previously bleached. And again, I'll show you guys once I blow dry. I added a little snippet in here so you guys can see, but I just really want to be super thorough and let you guys know, like, again, if you want to see the formulas, all that other stuff, it's now going to be on my website. Okay, so stay tuned. CassandraOlivia.com, June 1st. It's about to go down, period. So yeah, I'm just applying this, let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, rinse that out, and now I'm just going in with her toner. Again, toner formulas, everything I'll just drop down below. But if you guys want to see the full application, I'm actually going to post this on my, what was I just saying? I just went completely blank. It's crazy. Oh, I'm going to post this on my website. Duh. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. I know this was kind of a long rant, but I just want to let you guys know, like, I haven't been like being lazy behind the scenes. I know you guys haven't seen me posting, but just know if I'm not posting here, I'm getting it by any means necessary in other ways. Like, I done found so many other ways to make money. Affiliate marketing was the new way. I found a way to make money. Amazon affiliate, of course, but there's a new creator program I found a way to make money on. I'll post that in the membership as well. Like, it's about to go down. You hear me? So your girl has literally made an extra $600 this month, and I got offered to get paid off of Instagram. So I was super hyped about that because it's been a minute. So now that she's done toning, of course, I'm done shampooing her. I went in with the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate line. All I'm doing now is just adding some of that laid hair care. And these are her pictures when she came in for a consultation. So as you can see, a little bit of grow out from the roots. And this is what happened. So she went to the stylist again. She wanted all this like color that's kind of towards the root, this brownish, like honey brown color. However, as you can see, the ends are super fried and she had a lot of breakage. So this was our starting point. I did not do this color. I'm just showing you guys how she came in. for her first appointment to get this color corrected. Again, showing you guys the ends. One side of her hair was shorter than the other, and then this was the end result from that first color correction. Again, I did let her know, like, hey, you have some over processed ends. It might not take the color as well, but I'm going to try my best to blend it. And of course, with it being uneven, I just curled it to the best of my ability. So that's where we coming from. Again, I just went in here, blow dried her hair out. I used some laid hair care, and I also used my leaf and flower. And then all I'm going to do is press her off camera because I don't want to bore you guys to death. I did go in and trim her hair. I'm just going to show you guys me cleaning up the ends, but just know I do always go in at a 90-degree angle and pull everything out as well. Once I was done this, I just went in and curled her hair to the best of my ability. Obviously, you can tell her ends are still pretty fried from the first color, but that was to be expected. And she just knows every time she comes in, we're just going to trim a little off until we finally get rid of that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry if I ran it super long. It's literally 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to get the kids on the bus, but I wanted to get this out here, let you guys kind of know what I've been doing, what's been happening behind the scenes, and I can't wait to post some more color videos for you guys. So let me know your thoughts. If there's anything that you want to see in my membership that I didn't mention, any questions that you have, please feel free to reach out. You can DM me, but I do have 3 separate DMs, and sometimes you guys get kicked out into the spam folder or the what is it called, like those bot folders. So if for any reason, if you ever reach out to me and I don't reply, please shoot me an email. I have that in the bio for you guys. That's the easiest way to contact me because it's filtered a lot easier than getting hundreds of DMs a day. So all I'm doing now is going in with my leaf and flower flyaway stick for her hair. I threw in some curls. Again, it's a little uneven just because of the breakage from that first color that she had prior to me doing the correction. So I'm just showing her some recommendations here, which are the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops as well as the Laid Hair Care leave-in serum. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.